Globally, e-commerce sales are becoming more and more dominant. We order almost everything online. A cell phone, a t-shirt, or a pair of shoes. Products that are all in different sizes and shapes. Packing these products is a challenge for e-commerce companies. As a solution for this, we have developed TT60 Twin Trimmer. How does the system work? The system consists of 4 basic parts: barcode reading, product scanning, packaging, and labeling units. Information that comes from the barcode reader, such as the purchased order, customer name, address, as well as the dimension information of the packages, are acquired by the system and sent to packaging and labeling units. Using the information that comes from the scanner, the machine adapts its side sealers horizontally and vertically, achieving the right size packages for each product. Simultaneously, the delivery labels are applied on the packages. In the final stage, 4 sides of the package are sealed and the label with all necessary information is printed and applied to the top of the package. And here are the products after being packed. A box, a pair of shoes, t-shirts, labeled with all necessary information printed on top. The products are now ready for the shipment. We also need solutions to sort packed products according to their destinations, check weighing systems, and so on.